Hi everyone, Josiah with MachMotion here, working on the CR Onsrud Panel Pro, and we're getting ready to reintegrate this spindle with our control. So we've actually swapped out the spindle drive, we're switching to a Yaskawa drive, and so we need to get all the data off this plate. So first thing I like to do is I take a picture of this data plate here. We can get our max frequency, kilowatts, horsepower, max RPM, everything we should need is on this spindle here. We also like to make sure we integrate all the I/O. So we have different sensors for tool, loaded, drawbar clamp, unclamp, etc. They're all coming in through here. So we've got a pinout from HSD here that we're going to use to pair up with our control. The drawbar here with all the safety interlocking for that will be handled in our control PLC. So we need to make sure that air solenoid is wired up. We'll test that. The VFD we're using actually has a Modbus connection, so we can change all our parameters on the control. We don't actually need to go back there and punch in the buttons anymore. We just pull up the menu on the control, list out all the spindle parameters we need to change, enter the values we get off this tag, and we're good to go. If you have a machine you'd like to upgrade, please reach out, talk to us, and see what we can do for you. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, stay in touch. We'd love to hear from you.